Hello everyone. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we'll explore 5 powerful dividend stocks that can help you achieve this. Get ready to unlock the secrets of creating passive income for life. Hey there, viewers. If you're loving the content you're watching right now, don't miss out on all the upcoming videos packed with fresh tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated and be the first to know when we post new content. And don't forget to leave a comment and share with your friends. First up is Enbridge, ENB. Enbridge, a leading Canadian energy company, prides itself on delivering a stable dividend yield to its shareholders. Investors can rely on consistent cash flow generated from its extensive pipeline network, which underpins these regular payments and supports the company's promise for future dividend growth. This commitment potentially translates to increasing income for investors. Enbridge not only stands as a pillar of reliability in the energy sector, but also amplifies the income potential for its investors through its steadfast dedication to dividend growth and robust cash flow from its operations. The ENB dividend yield stands at 6%. This impressive yield offers investors a steady stream of income, making it an attractive option for those seeking reliable returns in their investment portfolios. Therefore, considering these factors, ENB remains a compelling choice for dividend-seeking investors. Next, we have National Retail Properties, NNN. NN has become synonymous with reliability, appealing to those seeking both stability and growth. Investors are often drawn to the promise of dependable distributions, making it a vital part of their income strategy amidst market fluctuations. With its strong track record, NNN continues to attract dividends. As NNN stands firm in the retail property sector, it reinforces its reputation for providing investors with a consistent yield. This commitment to long-term growth and financial security makes NNN an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their investment portfolio. The yield is quite impressive, 5.5%. This indicates that for every dollar invested, investors can expect to receive a return of 5.5 cents annually, making it an attractive option for those seeking steady income. The third stock is American Tower Corporation, AMT. As the world becomes increasingly connected, companies like AMT stand at the forefront, providing essential services that fuel this growth. With the rise in mobile data consumption, their dividends are poised for notable increases, ensuring that investors are rewarded handsomely. This growth is undeniable. Don't miss out on the opportunity to invest in a company that not only adapts to the changing landscape, but also thrives within it, offering you the chance for consistent returns in an ever-evolving technological world. Your future in telecom investment begins now. The annual payout is significant. The consistent dividend yield of 3% reflects the company's stability in a fluctuating market and signals a reliable investment for shareholders. Investors can expect their returns to grow steadily as the firm continues to prioritize shareholder value through these dividends. Now let's discuss Verizon VZ. Verizon's commitment to delivering uninterrupted service not only retains its loyal customers but also attracts new ones, reinforcing its income reliability. Investors are drawn to the dependable nature of Verizon's dividends, confident that their investments will yield steady returns over time. As a result, Verizon continues to thrive. Verizon's reputation ensures that it remains a top choice for investors seeking stability. Verizon stands out not just for its exceptional service, but also for its unwavering commitment to providing consistent dividends. This balance of reliability and growth solidifies its position as a trusted investment in the long run, appealing to both new and seasoned investors alike. The VZ dividend yield stands at 6%. This impressive yield attracts investors looking for stable returns, as it indicates that the company is committed to rewarding its shareholders. Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the market, the 6% yield represents a significant opportunity for growth and income. Last but not least is Clearway Energy, CWN. Imagine a future where clean energy powers our homes and businesses, creating a world free from pollution. By investing in CWN, you become part of this exciting revolution. Your choice supports sustainability. Your investment fuels innovation. By choosing to invest in CWN, you're not just securing your financial future, but also championing the shift towards a greener, cleaner planet, aligning your values with actionable change for generations to come. The CWN dividend yield stands strong. This robust yield of 6% showcases the organization's commitment to providing value to its shareholders while maintaining a stable financial outlook. By continuously delivering consistent returns, Quen affirms its position in the market, fostering trust and loyalty among investors eager to benefit from these financial gains. Remember, every investor must have a strategy. Without a well-defined plan, even the most promising investments can lead to disappointment. A clear roadmap helps navigate market fluctuations, ensuring investors stay focused on long-term goals. Ultimately, a solid strategy empowers investors to make informed decisions and minimize risks. Investing in these stocks offers a path to achieving your long-term financial goals. Consider diversifying your portfolio. By carefully selecting these stocks, you can build a solid foundation for your investments, paving the way towards a secure and prosperous future. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach with the right choices and strategies. As a bonus, diversifying your portfolio can help. Consider various investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can potentially minimize risks while maximizing returns. Always prioritize research and consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. A mix of sectors can enhance stability and income. Investing without knowledge can lead to significant losses. Research is essential. Taking the time to thoroughly understand your investment options not only protects your finances, but also empowers you to make informed decisions for a prosperous future. Remember, knowledge is the key to successful investing. It's wise to seek expert guidance. Additionally, a financial advisor can help you navigate your personal goals, evaluate your investment options, and create a comprehensive strategy tailored just for you. Ensuring your financial future is secure requires careful planning and informed decisions. Remember, seeking help is part of a successful journey. If you found value in our discussion, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Together, we can strive for a brighter financial future. Share your insights in the comments. Thank you for being part of this journey towards financial freedom. Your engagement truly makes a difference. Together, we can create a supportive community that empowers each other to achieve our individual and collective goals. Let's continue this conversation and uplift one another on our paths. See you in the next video.